Hi everyone, I wanted to pop in today to talk about how to create content that goes viral. So, when was the last time you watched a viral video? Going viral is the hope of any content creator. We want our video, blog, other piece of content to be seen by thousands, if not possibly even millions of people. Many of the most popular YouTube creators working today were slowly chugging along with hundreds or thousands of subscribers until one day one of their videos went viral. Then all of a sudden they're pulling in millions of views daily on all of their videos. So you might think that creating a viral video or viral content is a bit like winning the lottery. And yes, there is an element of luck involved, but as the old saying goes, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. If you want your content to go viral, you need to work on crafting the highest quality content possible. Not only will this increase the odds of hitting a viral video, but it will also grow your audience in the long run. And the more people watching your content, the more people who will share your content. There you go. That's the key. Rinse and repeat. In this week's blog, I'm going to be talking about how creating excellent content that really evokes an emotional response in your audience will increase the chances of your content going viral. Not everything will be a viral hit, of course, but with every piece of quality content, you're going to get closer and closer to that goal, and you're providing really great content, which in the long run, that's really the best idea. If you have any questions, if you need help, I'm here and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.